I came out today to help my mom so she could go and get adopted from Christmas this year. Yes, every year she looks forward to this.
They help with Christmas presents and they help me out where I need help for the Christmas stuff. I think it's great, and I'm sure glad people is out there to help us. That's what I think. I know I need help every Christmas, so I'm very glad that somebody can help us.
And I come here every year and I get adopted by the Christmas Bureau, and it's nice to know that somebody's out there that's on your side, and it really makes the Christmas spirit a little bit brighter. It means a lot, especially with the food stamps not getting in November. A lot of people are going to struggle, so with this, at least they provide your Christmas dinner.
It has been really tough for us this year. It'll make us like really happy and just wonderful that there's people out there that cares about other people.